and in this video I will show you how to insert values in those tables. So first of all, open your terminal, write psql, the cell. Here you can see we have a test database. We are going to use that, and to connect this database, write /c in the name of the database test. Now we are connected to the test database. Let us create a student table. Create table, then name of the table, student, brackets. Now specifying the columns, roll number, and the length is 10. Now the primary key, and so all the students has unique roll number. We will set roll number as our primary key. Okay, our table is created. Let us see the table /d, and you can see. Okay, so to insert data into this table, into the name of the table, then column names in which you want to insert the values, roll number, then values. Here you can provide values. So roll number, let's say 101, and Jane, send. This is how you can insert values in the table. Okay, so let's quit the terminal. Password. Okay, so here we have test database. Let us try to insert some values in these tables. Okay. Okay. Here is one thing. If we wanted to insert all the values for all the columns, it means that for every column you have a value which you want to insert. So in this case, you don't need to write the column names. You can directly start with the values. Values 102, let's say. Name is Lily. Okay. One row is inserted. This is how you can insert as many as value you want. We can also insert multiple values. In order to do that, just put comma here and then write another values. Write 104 and let's say money. Let us change this value 105 robot, and you can see two values has been inserted. So this is how you can insert the multiple values in the table, And remember one thing, whenever you specify the column names here, like in this case roll number and name, then you have to insert the values in respective order. It means if you write roll number first, then roll number comes first, and you write name second, then name comes second. Okay, so order is very important. Okay, so thanks for watching.